Let's go, guys. It's Raoul TV, Team R for UL. We're back again in the garage, and the thing is, obviously I've not been posting videos and everything. Whatever I've been posting, they've been pre-recorded videos. Obviously yours truly wasn't feeling the best, got contracted COVID-19 coronavirus, and we've been in the wars. Tell you what, it is serious, guys. Serious. Anyway, we're back again. I've got air in my lungs, feeling great. Happy days, back in work. Let's do it. What it is, I've got a 2015 Skoda Octavia, right? And I'm going to go ahead and replace the rear, that is, the rear motor. Okay, not the hardest job in the world. You can attempt it outside your house. If everything comes off nice and easy, happy days. Anyway, guys, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get a little flat screwdriver and put it in between there, flick that off. That comes off. Next thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to flick this little washer jet off. That comes off. And we're going to take that nut off. 13mm nut, get a socket and a ratchet on that. Let's take that 13mm nut off. Alright, the next job for us, guys, is we need to take the wiper arm off. Okay, so I'm going to keep it real with you guys. 9 times out of 10 that arm comes off. All you do is just flick it like that, right, and it comes off like that, okay, like it's done. Sometimes it doesn't come off, it's seized up. You need to keep on maneuvering it. Okay, get some oil down there. This was seized up as well a little bit, but I managed to get some oil in there and that's come off. No problem, that's happy days, that's off. What we do now is we're going to open the boot lid, the tailgate, and we're going to go inside. Once we are here, our objective is to take this panel off, okay? We have to take this panel off. So in order to take that off, we've got little screws here. Here, as you can make it out. Little clips here. One here, one here, one here. It will be clipped on there as well. On the inside here, we've got one here, Torx here, take that one off, and yeah, just go with the flow basically. But our mission is to take that off, and let's go ahead and take that off. So first things first, in order to take this off, I'm going to go ahead and take these little clips off. You can see there, try not losing them. I'm trying to do this one hand. So take that one off as well. I've already took them two off, as you can see there. Take that one off, this one off, this one off, this one off, and we'll take that Torx off here. I think it's a Torx 25. Take that one off, and then if we give it a little pull, I think it should come down quite a bit. Right, we've got them off, as you can see there, all the way around. Took that Torx off. My bad, guys, there's two more here. One here and one here. Take them two little clips off, and then hopefully it should come straight down. Alright, so as you can see, there's no nice ways really to take it off. Just give it a pull. Try and hold the camera with one hand. There we go. Pull it off. Pull both sides off. We might need to take these off as well. These here. Just flick them off. If we can get to it without taking it off, then happy days. I think I can just about get to it. There's the motor. If I can't, then obviously I'm going to go ahead and take them off. On the side, just flick them off. And hopefully the whole panel should come straight off. Alright, guys, as you can see clearly, I can get to the motor there. No problem whatsoever. So I'm not going to take the full lot off. I don't think you don't need to take the full lot off. I mean, to take this off, obviously you have to go ahead and take that. I mean, to take this off, you have to go ahead and take the full lot off from there, which is clipped on everything, which should come off. But why struggle when you can get to it there? No problem whatsoever. 3 nuts, 1, 2, and you make it out there. 3. Take them 3 off. That should come straight off. 1 pipe on it. 1 little switch, which I can just take off here, just like that. Take that off. Take that pipe off. Happy days. Job done. Right, them 3 nuts are off. 1, 2, 3. I couldn't show you guys because I had to get the ratchet in there and hold this panel down with one hand and take it off as well. But you get the drill. Take them 3 nuts off. The wiring plug is off. That should come straight down, just like that. And just be careful of this plastic pipe here. This hard plastic pipe here. We need to take that off. Okay? In order to take that off, we need to flick that little white clip off. This clip on the pipe. Dead easy. Take that clip off. That will come off. We can go ahead and replace the motor. Okay, that's the little clip that goes on to the pipe there. Okay, it goes over the pipe. Take that little clip off, that sleeve off. Take that off, and there we have the motor already off. Okay, let's replace it with a new one. Right, there we have it, guys. We've got the new one on there, second-hand new one. Fit it in reverse order. Get that one on. Get that on. Get that on. Get the switch back on. Eagle-eyed viewers out there might see that this one hasn't got a washer. Okay, washer pipe jet. So I'm going to block that off. And hopefully that should be that. Fit it in reverse order. Let's finish it off. Right, I've got them 3 back on. 1, 2, and 3 there. Let's put the wiring plug back on. Goes in straight in there, no messing. Bang, that's on. As for the pipe, obviously this one is, I think it's off an older model. Okay, it hasn't got a washer jet on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like a rubber cover or something over that, stop that from, you know, leaking out. I don't think it was working anyway in the first place, so yeah, that's that. Let's see if the washers wiper's working, and that's it. So basically the only difference is I haven't got a washer jet on this one, right? On the second-hand new one, and on the old one it did. Okay, that's it. Let's fit it. Let's fit the wiper arm and see if it works. Right, that's it, guys. Job done. Happy days. Wiper arms on, wiper motors on. It's all working and everything. That's how we replace it. Like I said, like I mentioned, this one it didn't have the pipe on it, so just block the pipe off. You don't really need a rear washer, do you? Right, and that's it. Anyway, guys, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon.